welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the couple of the new cases that I got from i-Blason. So I'll be including the link that's going to show you within the description, so you could check them out. You can find this easy on Amazon.com by search under i-Blason Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra. So let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys what we got. So this is Note 20, Aries Rudy, and the other one's purple. And this one's Note 20, Cosmo green. And then this one's a Cosmo MF. And then this one is the Pro Toro. So let's go and then open the Aries first. And it is made in China. Come with the instruction. So this one doesn't come with the screen protector due to the on-screen fingerprint reader. It might affect the reading of your fingerprint. So it's come with this like almost like a light metallic purple top frame, and then you got this darker purple for the silicone. There's i-Blason branding right here. Got your power and then your volume up and down rocker. Got the extra bumper on the corner, so in case your phone drop it and landing on a corner, it give you more protection. You got the nice PVC clear backing. Let's go ahead and check out this one. Wow, look at that, pretty nice. Got the red outline around the camera lens. Okay, let's go ahead and check out this one. It's a Cosmo edition. Wow. So the top of the frame, it is in matte black finish. Wow, look at that. That's a pretty nice design. Got the i-Blason right there. Again, you got the protective buttons. Let me take this one out real quick. So this silicone case is clear, pretty soft, and pretty thick. Give you a protection. And it says Cosmo series. And this is what it looks like without the protective. Go and then check out the ocean. So I guess this looks like an ocean color because it's blue. I got this nice gold accent right here. They all have a gold accent for the Cosmo edition. Alright, let's go and check out the last one. So this is like a purple. Alright. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button. Turn on the bell for notification or drop in the comments on below. And be sure to check out the link so you can check out these cases. And I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.